Healthcare costs continually on the rise. Low-income families around the country are struggling to pay for emergency medical expenses.
A clinic in Garden City, though, is aiming to help those in need, overlooking their past and disregarding their economic status. On Your Side's KNIN-TV has the details.
They have to decide food or medicine, or gas in their car or their medicine.
It's a situation all too familiar for many people in the state of Idaho unable to qualify for insurance or for life-saving medications.
As we know in Ada County, if we know there are 60,000 people who can't afford insurance, who probably aren't going to get it, they are not going to be able to have health care. And if they have a chronic illness, they're going to end up in the emergency room or worse.
That's where the Garden City Community Clinic, run by Genesis World Mission, steps in, treating people without insurance for common illnesses like allergies, anxiety, diabetes, or high blood pressure.
This program gives people an opportunity that they would never have.
But the clinic gives patients more than just a prescription and a checkup.
Don't care how you got here. Got an addiction problem? Don't care. Let's start from today.
Their goal is to transform lives through relationships, something Shannon Kraft knows all too well.
I was struggling to get on my feet. I was broken, and a friend of mine said, you should try, the Garden City Clinic. And from that day forward, they have helped me become the person that I am today.
One of the main things patients are treated for at the clinic is incapacitating depression and anxiety, inhibiting people's daily lives.
I just kind of, like I said, existed. I had low self-esteem, I had no sense of worth, and I couldn't see a future for me.
Each patient who walks through the door meets with a social worker and can see a selection of volunteer physicians, nurse practitioners, and counselors.
Once my mental health was balanced, I was able to think more clearly, and once I could do that, then better decisions and better choices and just a better life.
Now remarried and working more than 50 hours a week, Shannon no longer qualifies for services at the Garden City Community Clinic, but still tries to give back, crediting the clinic for her transformation.
It's the best decision I ever made. This organization honestly saved my life.
KNIN-TV, Idaho on Your Side.